Looking to buy a new laptop but can't decide which one to buy? There are a number of big manufacturers such as Dell, Lenovo, HP, and Acer is selling a wide variety of sizes, features, and prices, which makes it difficult to decide which laptop is best for you. Whether you are a professional seeking a powerful workstation, a student in need of a portable study companion, or a casual user looking for everyday computing tasks, there's a laptop out there tailored to suit your needs. This video explains the features and specifications of a good laptop that help you select the perfect laptop for yourself. So what are the specifications of a good laptop? Depending on your computing needs, there are several factors to consider before deciding which laptop is best suited for you. Basically, a laptop's performance is based on 5 main pillars. Processor, the CPU, RAM, the amount of memory, internal storage type, its HDD or SSD, battery life and amount of graphics card decide the performance of any laptop. So selecting a laptop really depends on your own requirements and budgets, and size will play a big part in that. But if you are on a hurry, here is our recommendation. Choose a display size between 12.5 to 14, Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, 1920x1080 screen, minimum 5 to 8 hours of battery life and prefer SSD storage instead of a hard drive. So which brand is best for a laptop? This is the first question that comes to your mind when buying a laptop. Which brand is best for a laptop? This is basically because, even after identifying a laptop with all the right features, it all ends with what your heart is comfortable with. You might have love for a certain brand or might just want to try out something new. So the brand choice is entirely up to you. But recommend you need to choose a brand that has spent quite some time in the market. This is so essential because in the future, you might need to make replacements to some of your hardware components, stuff like the keyboard, screen and other components. The next thing you want to look at is the laptop screen size. If you are looking for gaming purposes, the screen size matters and you need a bigger screen. But for some tasks, there's completely no need for a very large screen, especially if you are going to be moving around here and there with your laptop. So for students who will always carry a laptop to class, and businessmen who will always carry a laptop regularly to work, make sure to get a portable laptop, in other words, a small-sized computer. For portability, get a laptop with at most 14 inches of screen size. This will save you the energy to be used while carrying that laptop bag. I recommend, choose a screen size that balances portability with usability, considering factors such as display resolution, panel type, IPS for better color accuracy and viewing angles, and brightness levels for outdoor usability. Next, let's look at which processor is best for laptop. The processor or the central processing unit is the brain of that desktop or laptop. It does exactly the same as the human brain. It does all the logical and arithmetic operations. Processors are classified according to how powerful they are. This means if you have a more powerful processor, the more tasks that the computer can process at a single time. Intel and AMD are the two primary players in the processor market, offering a range of options catering to different user needs. For everyday tasks such as web browsing, word processing, and multimedia consumption, a mid-range processor like Intel's Core i5 or AMD's Ryzen 5 should suffice. However, for demanding tasks like gaming, content creation, or heavy multitasking, consider investing in a higher-tier processor such as Intel's Core i7 or AMD's Ryzen 7 for optimal performance. RAM, random access memory, is measured in terms of gigabytes, GB, which temporarily stores data as it is being processed by the processor. And the presence of RAM makes sure that you can run multiple apps smoothly on your laptop. While 4 GB of RAM may be sufficient for basic computing tasks, opting for 8 GB or more is advisable for smoother performance, especially if you prefer to multitask or run memory-intensive applications like photo or video editing software. Choosing the right storage capacity depends on your usage patterns and storage needs. As you can guess, the more storage you have, the more files you can store on your laptop. Solid-state drives, SSDs, offer faster boot times and application loading speeds compared to traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. For most users, a minimum of 256 GB SSD should be sufficient for storing the operating system, essential applications, and files. However, if you work with large media files or require ample storage for games and multimedia content, consider opting for higher capacities ranging from 512 GB to 1 TB or more. Next, you may have a question on mind. Did I need extra graphics for my laptop? While integrated graphics is sufficient for everyday computing tasks, individuals engaged in gaming, graphic design, or video editing may benefit from a dedicated graphics card. NVIDIA and AMD are the leading manufacturers of discrete graphics cards, offering enhanced visual performance and smoother gameplay. Ensure your laptop configuration includes a dedicated GPU if your usage demands high graphical fidelity and performance. Well, selecting the right operating system depends on your familiarity, software requirements, and personal preferences. Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS are the primary operating systems available, each offering unique features and compatibility with specific software ecosystems. While Windows offers versatility and compatibility with a wide range of applications, Mac OS is renowned for its seamless integration with other Apple devices and intuitive user interface. Additionally, consider your budget constraints and look for a laptop that offers the right balance between performance, features, and affordability. Again, a laptop's battery life determines its portability and usability, especially when working on the go. Look for laptops with longer battery life, typically ranging from 8 to 12 hours on a single charge, to ensure uninterrupted productivity without constantly searching for power outlets. Factors like display brightness, processor efficiency, and battery capacity influence the laptop's battery life, so consider these aspects when making your purchase. And lastly, consider the warranty coverage and after-sales support offered by the manufacturer. Opt for laptops with comprehensive warranty coverage, including hardware defects, accidental damage protection, and on-site support, to ensure peace of mind and hassle-free repairs or replacements in case of issues. Beyond the aforementioned factors, consider other aspects like keyboard and trackpad quality. Ports are usually not very important when choosing a laptop, but it's helpful if you get the connection you need right on the system rather than carry a slew of dongles. Most of the laptops have USB 3.0 ports and HDMI out for video. However, an increasing number of laptops use USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 3 ports that are USB Type-C compatible. Getting Type-C is a definite plus because you can use it to connect to universal chargers and docks. Also, consider networking. Although all laptops have built-in wireless networking, if you have a fancy 802.11 AC router, check your laptop's wireless chip supports AC, so you get the best transfer speeds. Not all have an Ethernet plug. Well, there's no best laptop. Overall, it really depends on your own requirements, budgets, and size will play a big part in that. I hope this video helps you choose the right laptop for your needs. Thanks for watching.